Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Google AdSense in 2026. So if you've earned your first payout and want to cash it out, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside, go to the Home or Payments section and check your available balance. Make sure your earnings have reached the payment threshold. AdSense only sends money once this limit is met. Now click the Payments tab from the left side menu. Check that your bank account or payment method is added and set as primary. AdSense doesn't have a manual withdraw button. Payments are sent automatically each month when your balance is finalized. Usually, payments are processed between the 21st and 26th of each month. You can track your payment status in the Payments section to see if it is pending, processing, or completed. After Google sends the money, your bank may take a few hours or a couple of days to deposit it into your account. And if you don't receive your payment, double-check your bank details and ensure there are no account holds. So that's how to withdraw money from Google AdSense in 2026. Once everything is set up correctly, payments are fully automatic every month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.